Hey. No, Mitzy, come here. Okay, we will go see Red and Cooper next. This is Mitzy, as you can hear me. And this is Cooper. Say hi, Cooper. Or shake. Go get in your pool, Cooper. Go in the pool. No. Go get in the pool. Okay, that didn't work. Let's go get in the pool. No, in the pool. In the pool. No. Nope. Nope. Cooper. Okay, as you can see, the pool is kind of dirty, but get in. Lay down. Or get out. Okay, let's go see Red. She is... No! You! No, get! Get! No, stay! Fine, whatever. Here is Red. She's kind of old. She's a golden retriever, but she is, she got shaved for the summer. That is Cooper's bone. By the way, this is Red, Cooper, and the dog up on my deck is Mitzy. Okay, so if you have any questions, comment below. Nope, yours. No, Cooper, kennel. Cooper, get back in the kennel. Next time I'm going to record with my iPod so that I don't have to use both hands to record with the iPad. Oh, there's Mitzy. She's my inside puppy. I need to get in, Mitzy. Let's end off the video by Mitzy eating some sun seeds. No, I'm just kidding. She is sitting in a chair, though. And no, I did not tell her to. Well, as I said, if you have any questions or you want me to, answer, questions, or you just have a nice comment, you should say that in the comment section below. And if you really enjoyed this video of me introducing my dogs to you, hit that like button, and if you really, really liked it, hit that subscribe for more videos on my dogs.